when was the last time you had a coffee, like for real, for real? You know, I told you guys that I was working at this, what do you call the place again, where all the garbage from the city is laying? Garbage dump. You know, I had to work at this garbage dump, had to clean this up with friends. There was iced coffee, and that was something we drank because we wanted to kill the time. So this was, I would say, the last time I had a coffee, but a real coffee, I don't know. Wow, you worked there, you're awesome. Hey, this was pretty humbling working there, to be honest. This was actually a good time. Really, Heidi's a vibe, really, not gonna lie, true that. This was a good time, but it was also like, so there was the whole trash from the whole city. And after I came back home with my friend, first of all, we had the craziest headache because we were inhaling this stuff. Humbling how? Yeah, I was working between the all the trash and we had to clean it, you know. It was like if you, it's compared as somebody is giving you the task, okay, clean the Sahara. It was like a never-ending story. And yeah, first of all, the smell was crazy. We had, me and the burger friend were working there, and I was working there with you know, how did we call my childhood female good friend? You had to do it for money or something. Yeah, it's money. Isabella. I was working there with Isabella as well, and yeah, I was working there for money. It was actually a good paid job because nobody wanted to do that. And I also, I'm not sure if because I was 16, 17 there, if that was even so legal, because yeah, it was not so healthy to work there. Anyways, what was your favorite kind of trash? Actually, the cats. There were so many cats. They identified as trash as well, and they made the day a big bit better. And it was, the favorite, I don't know. Oh man, that's sure a cool thing, cleaning the city. Kinda. Well, when you go on dates, definitely bring this up. It will score you many points. Cleaning a garbage dump is a cool thing. You save the city, Batman. Yeah, it was not even the city. It was, you know, it was a place next to the city where all the trash was going to, you know. And next to the thing was a nightclub, and it was kind of funny. I was with my burger friend, or with Isabella. We were working like there for a few hours, and then came home, showered, and then went to this nightclub. So yeah, but no, hear me out. We should get the experience. Hey, maybe this place is not too far away from here. Maybe I can sneak there. I think that would be cool if I would be there again and make a video for you guys where your boy worked in his childhood. Only for one summer holidays. Maybe many people need to do. I hate when people litter. Yeah, so for example, I had a big discussion when I'm around, you know, especially with my burger friend. Okay, no, let's forget that. With a random friend, you know, and for example, when we drive to McDonald's, he just grabs the stuff and just throw it out of the window. Luckily, I'm the driver, so I turn around and grab it, and I'm like, every time we have a discussion about, and I'm like, hey, you can't do that. And he's like, it doesn't matter anyways, Pascal. Like, of course, it's kind of an irony from him. His opinion is that so many other countries do it even worse, so he doesn't have to do it anyways. And for me, it's like, this is not how the world works. At the end of the day, hell nah, burger friend. Hey, I would say, yeah, okay, maybe he's doing that even as a joke right now. He even sent me, because he know how this pissed me off, he even sent me a video last week how he was driving with the fries, and then he threw it out of the window and sent it to me, and we were like, what do you want to do, Pascal? But then fries told me that they turned around, grabbed the stuff. I can understand his opinion, but it doesn't make sense in my world to act like this, you know. Did he throw it out of the window? Wow, not cool. The fact that she's sleeping while the man working on the fireplace and son is talking, but then she wakes up to him whispering at night. True, what's that? And damn, yesterday night after Heidi, you know, with her tail, she whipped the glass off. I had to clean this. The whole floor was full of glass. It seemed like Heidi was not hurt. So yeah, this is the most important, obviously. No. Last time when I was with the burger friend, he smokes, you know, and he was throwing his, you know, dead cigarettes away. But then he said, then I said, okay, let's go, and he picked all of them up. This was a good thing. This was a good thing, guys. Even though smoking is not a good thing. For sure, for sure, for sure. Anyways.